Good day, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so I'm going to be showing us what we need to know on the interface of broker accounts that we are going to be working with, and the things we need to know and how we are going to be operating it. Okay, so although I'm doing this from a Vide Forex broker account, but it is just the same thing, the same setup with your IQ Sense. All right, so you're going to be taking note of certain things. Okay, number one here is you're going to be taking notes of how to get your currency pairs. Okay, so when we call a trade, we'll tell you probably USDJPY. Okay, as you can see here is on Euro USD. So you want to change to USDJPY, you just click on that where you see Euro USD, then manually you type USDJPY. Okay, then you click on that USDJPY. Okay, so then it's you see that now that it's now on USDJPY. So you just click outside on any of the screen. Okay, so it's on USDJPY. All right, so you want to also scroll up. When you scroll up, then we'll be telling you 2 minutes. So all you need to do is come to where you see time, click on that drop arrow. Okay, you can click anywhere. All right, on the 1 minute or the drop arrow, then you change it. You see that drop down of 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, like that. So you change it to 2 minutes. You just click on 2 minutes. All right, so where you see turbo, leave it, don't touch it. Where you see fixed time, will tell you fixed time off. Okay, so just leave it that way. Then you might want to change, and you will definitely want to change this amount from $10. Okay, so depending on how much you have. So if you have anything below $100, okay, we'll tell you change it to $1. Okay, so make sure, it's very important, because what that means is that you are going to be staking this amount. Okay, so you make sure you change it to $1. All you just need to do is click the down arrow and it goes to $1. Please, this is very, very important. This is very important. Okay, make sure you always change these parameters once you log in. Make sure you always look at this parameter and change it. Okay, it is very, very important. Please, it is very, very important. I'm emphasizing it. All right, so now you change it to $1. Okay, once you change that, then we'll tell you. Okay, see this green and red button. Okay, those are the buttons you're going to be clicking. So but at the middle you see that figure changing. Okay, you see a figure 109.550. so we'll now tell you, assuming okay on USDJPY, we'll tell you when this thing gets to 109.600. so we are going to be calling the last three numbers. Okay, so we say when this thing gets to 600, click a put. So what that means that once that 553 that you are seeing on the screen gets to 600, you click this red button just once. Okay, don't double click, don't click it like you are playing game. All right, so you will wait for that 553 that you are seeing now to get to that 60, and you click the put button. So when we say click put, don't go and click call. Okay, you click the put button. All right, so we'll wait for it. All right, so you wait till you get to that 600. Then also we can say if this same figure gets to okay let's say 550, for the purpose of this you click a call button. So it's on 553 now, so you'll be waiting for it to get to 550. Okay, you'll be waiting for it to get to 550, then you click the green button, which is a call button. Okay, we say 550, click call. So you'll be watching, you carry your phone, and so now it is 548, which is below 550, then you click on that call. Okay, so you can see if you scroll back up. So if you scroll back up, okay, you see this green arrow here. You see this horizontal line. Okay, then you can also minimize. All right, so you can see this green horizontal line and this and this dotted vertical line. Okay, so you can now see that the green horizontal line is showing a small arrow, a green arrow pointing up. So that means that you are winning the trade. When you click a call, what you expect is that you want the figure to be above where you click the call. So I clicked it at 548, okay, and right now it is at 554. So if I win the trade, if it gets to this vertical line, as you can see now, it will show me a green bubble. Okay, so right now you can see that green bubble. Okay, see the green bubble, and it's showing me the result is 1.85 USD. So what that means is that I have gained extra 85 cents on my $1 trade. Okay, so because you can see the profit here, the profit is 85 cents. So that means I have, how do I call it, won the trade. So but assuming that trade go below that 548 that I entered and it ended, I would have lost the trade, and you will see a red bubble here instead of a green, and you see result is equal to 0. Okay, so let's look for another example. So okay, let me go to another pair. We can say Euro GBP, EUR-GBP. Okay, you just type it, then you click on that. All right, then you click outside. So you are now on Euro GBP. Okay, so you go down. Okay, so make sure that your time is on 2 minutes, and your your amount that you are staking is $1. Like I said, if you are below $100 in your account, okay, like me now, you can see I have $322. Okay, if you have below 100 and below, you want to start with $1 per trade. So make sure that you always do this. So let's say, okay, I gave a call. We always call the last 3 digits number. All right, and I say when this thing gets to when it gets to 9:15, click a put button. So now it is on 9:10. That's the last 3 digits. It's on 9:10. So I'll be waiting for that thing to get to 9:15. Okay, and the moment it gets to 9:15 and above, I click on that put button. Okay, so I'm waiting. So you make sure that it gets to the number that is called for you. Okay, don't click anything other than when it gets to the number 9:15, and then I click a put. All right, so you can see now, all right, that I have this horizontal line, and you can see that it's showing me the arrow is pointing now. So what it means is that this horizontal line, the ending, you can see at the end, you can see that dot at the end, and I have a vertical line. So I expect that this price that is moving, this squiggly what is it called, that is moving, I want it to come below this horizontal line where you see that 9:15 by the time it gets to the end of this trade. Okay, so what this means right now is that I am losing this trade. Okay, so I am waiting for it to come below this line, okay, this horizontal line. Okay, so if it didn't come down below the line, we can also tell you quickly to roll over. So how do you roll over? You come down, okay, you scroll here, and you see this button under rollover, that clock button. You click on it once. All right, so what you have done is that you have asked for additional number. You have asked for additional time. Okay, so that thing will not extend the time. Okay, you see that it has extended that line. That line has extended. Okay, let me uh, put it this way. Okay, all right. So the line has extended. That means you have asked for additional time. Okay, you've asked for additional time. So I'm still losing this trade. Okay, don't forget that I didn't do any form of analysis. Okay, so but I'm showing you the things that you need to do. So when we tell you to click the rollover, you know where to go to and click your rollover button. Okay, so all right, I'm still losing this trade because it is above my entry, this horizontal line. Okay, that horizontal red line that you're seeing, it is above, the price right now is above my entry. So then probably if I want to click another rollover, I'll come down again, I'll click the rollover button. You see that clock under the word rollover, you click on it again. So make sure that you only click once, don't double click it. All right, so you see now that it has also added to my order size, which is 1.69. I started with $1, but right now the more time I ask for, the more they will ask for 30%. They will require 30% of what I am staking. Okay, so all right, so you see that this thing has also, the line has also extended more. Okay, the line has extended more. Okay, now if you want to you see this minus, plus, and this target sign. The minus plus is that you want to see the screen, like zooming. You want to zoom out. Okay, you want to zoom out. Then the plus sign, you want to zoom in. Okay, you want to see it bolder. Then the target sign, okay, like a sniper sign, is like you want the screen to be moving as the price is moving. Okay, so when you click on it, you see it moving as the price is moving. Okay, so you see it moving as the price is moving. All right, so you can see what is happening right now. So presently the price is at 916. All right, the price is at 916. All right, which is at 915 now, which is on my, okay, so now at this point I am winning this trade. Okay, because it has now come below my 915 entry point. Okay, so let's see what happens by the time this trade ends. Okay, so as you can see, the trade is about to end and I'm losing this trade because price is above my entry point. You can see my entry point at 915 and price is at 920 right now. So if this trade ends, all right, where it ends now, I would have lost this trade. Then you see a red bubble showing that I lost the trade. Okay, so I'm just about to lose this trade. Don't forget, it's just an example. There was no analysis done. Okay, so boom, I just lost the trade, and you see that red bubble shows result $0. So what that means is that the $1.69 that I stake for this entire duration of the trade, I've lost it. Okay, so that is how it works. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, let's just end it here. Now we'll still show us other things as time goes on. Thank you.